thank you very much. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much.
Alright, you guys, if you know anything about me, you know that I love my dog. Like, I literally love him more than anything in the world. Like, anything in the world.
Hey, that's not fair.
Well, and Dennis too. I love Dennis, of course. So today I thought, how fun would it be if I let my dog control my life and I say yes to everything that he wants. Like, everything. Today's gonna be a little bit of an insane day. So today what we're gonna be doing is we have a full list of really terrible things that my dog would wanna do to me. And then we have a bunch of really delicious food that he would wanna eat. And the idea is we have 2 bowls, and the one that he goes for is the thing that I must do. So I've just cut out all of the foods that Jupiter loves, like loves. There is no chance that I'm saved today at all, because he loves peanut butter, spaghetti, buñuelo, this really amazing Colombian pastry, bakey, flaky, whatever. Actually gonna let Dennis do the honors. My fate is in your hands.
Trust me.
Alright, you guys, so we have our very first little treats. We have popcorn for me literally wearing the ugliest outfit I own, and then we have ham for putting on black lipstick. If you know anything about me, you know that I'm not much of a dark lipstick type of gal, so this one should be interesting. Alright, you guys, comment below, what do you think he's gonna go for? Ham or popcorn? Are you ready for this? Give me 5. Give me 5. Good. Okay, stay. Stay. And on your marks, get set, break. Straight for the ham. Oh no.
And he ate that fast.
Hey, don't eat this. Booty, this is not it. Put on black lipstick. Alright, you guys, black lipstick it is, and he's still eating the other one.
Now you gotta use that one.
Huh?
You took too long to remove it.
What do you mean?
Now you gotta put a bad, ugly outfit on.
Why?
Because you ate both.
I know, I can't do that. No, Jupiter! Baby,
You
save
took too long.
No, I can't put on an ugly outfit and black lipstick. Alright, guys. So, I literally have my ugliest outfit right here. And this black lipstick. I shall see you in a moment.
Wait, he's blocking. What are those?
These are my mom's. Vote for Pedro! Oh, please.
If you want to look crap, then look crap.
Black lipstick, here we go.
You don't look that bad. Oh yeah, you look bad.
Jupiter, so you want her to go out like this with me? I think he's regretting his decisions. So, put on black lipstick, done. Wear your ugliest outfit, done. What's next?
Natalie, where you at?
I'm eating. So for this one, we have sweet potatoes and spaghetti. So for sweet potatoes, we're gonna play catch for as long as I want. For spaghettis, Jupiter's that weird person, just like me. I like Twizzlers. He likes really
Raw pasta.
raw pasta, yeah. So he's gonna watch me do 20 push-ups. If you know anything about me, I've been training and I can't even do one. So this should be fun. Okay, are you marked? Get set. Break.
No, either.
I was influenced by Dennis.
Oh man, I clicked on that one. Did I say click?
So I'm going to have to play catch for as long as I want with Jupiter. You ready to do this, baby?
Tug.
This is torture.
10 minutes of tugging, starting now.
I don't actually like to tug. It gives them aggression.
Ain't nobody care. He don't care.
But I do. I train him. Look how beautiful. Look at that walk. Come on, boy. Oh my god, he's actually pulling.
Run. Get those stubby little legs moving.
A few moments later.
He won't let me get it. Comment below your pet's name and what type of pet you have or you dream to have. I'm really curious to know. All right, you guys, so for this one, we have incredible soup. Jupiter loves soup. So we either are gonna have a dance party at the pet store, which I'm actually all about. That looks pretty good. But I'm telling you, this is his weakness. And then buñuelos. This is Jupiter's weaknesses. On top of soup, I don't know which one he would prefer. Today we're gonna find out. This is pretty much like a Colombian bakery. Or
pastry.
No, it's a bakery.
It's not, a bakery is a place.
Huh? It's bakery. It's a bakery item. Comment below if you're a true Colombian. It's bakery, okay? We're gonna go to the pet store and buy him a new toy. So this one's not that bad. I'm actually gonna take a little.
We haven't had dinner.
Envious. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Oh, we went for the buñuelo!
Man, you killed it.
You ain't having this now, baby. Alright, guys. So, we're gonna go to the pet store and buy him a new toy. That's what's up, my baby. That's what's up. Ooh, it's okay. He loves the monkey. This is his favorite. He's had 3 already. Alright, there you go. Alright, you guys. So for this one, we are going to take some delicious peanut butter, which he loves. Let's go on a walk. Jupiter is a big 90-pound dog, which is a little tough sometimes to walk him. Or this delicious bone, which means take me to the dog park. Now, sometimes Jupiter can be a little confrontational with other dogs, so I'm a little bit scared. Okay, you're going to sit. Are you ready for this? Oh, he's already looking at something. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? On your mark, get set. Break. Comment below what you guys think he's gonna go for. Don't. This is a tricky. Oh, he went for the peanut butter. Oh, snappity doodle. All right, so we are going to go on a walk, little bunny. You love your little walks?
Oh, that's gross. What the heck are you doing?
I was that kid that would eat glue in class. Stay weird or die normal. Get the merch. Now is all about shop. Okay, let's get it poppin', Jupiter. You are taking me out looking like this. Looking like a crazy girl. Yes, I am today with you. Jupiter! Please come and walk with me. He's not about it, guys. He's just not. I hope I don't see anyone.
Thank you very much. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, I think we're done. This was a lot. I'm over it. These heels. Okay, that was too much for me to handle. He is going wild. Plus, we just saw like this beautiful golden retriever.
Girl.
His dream girl right there. She was beautiful. She was really beautiful. Okay, guys, so we have turkey. Makes him salivate like crazy. I mean, look, he's literally smelling it from miles away. So for this one, I'm going to have to be a dog with him. Walk like him, talk like him, bark like him, pee like him. Or we have white, fresh, smushy
That's his
bread.
favorite of everything.
He
in the
loves
world.
this.
He prefers bread over all.
Well, we shall see today. What do you guys call? What do you guys think? Turkey or bread? I'm team turkey. Team bread?
Yeah,
Okay. For the bread, I'm gonna have to jump in a pool with him with my clothes on. Which we don't have a pool, so we're gonna have to go find a pool. Maybe my aunt will let me do this. She has a pool. We shall see. Please, honey, I am begging you. I can't throw myself in a pool. Okay, so are you ready to commence? On your mark, get set, go, break.
Break. Break. Break, 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 break.
Ah!
I knew it. Oh, man. He killed it.
Help me. have to ruin my Michael Scott shirt. Is all I have to say. Okay, this is his typical dog food. He's over this. He is over it. But for this one, we have do a full makeup look you wouldn't normally do with your eyes closed. Now for this one, he's all right about treats. So this one's kind of like in the middle, balanced out. Color one of your front teeth black. Comment below what you think he's gonna pick. Dennis, what do you think? Okay. Jupiter! Come out here now. Come hither, Jupiter. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Okay. Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Rick. So I guess I have to color my tooth black. This shall be interesting.
Since no one was home and Natalie couldn't do it to her parents, I challenged her to do it on her Insta stories and just give absolutely no explanation as to what's going on. Just go on there and just smile.
Here you go.
Yeah, just leave it. That's it. No captions, no anything. No explanation. Just do
Can
it.
I put down here?
No.
Next video.
No.
Oh, that's
Nothing.
so ugly. Why did I
Nothing.
do
Just that.
Oh
That's it.
God, it's embarrassing.
Guys, so we're out in the middle of nowhere
Literally. Look at Jupiter. He's
because we only have one, well, technically friend that has a pool.
We only have one friend.
Yeah, we need friends, guys. You have to jump.
I do? Oh my God, it's so cold. It's like ice cold. I don't think I could do this.
You definitely need to.
No, I have to say no to this one.
No, yeah, you do.
This one's too cold.
You got to.
No, I can't. I really can't. I don't do well with cold. Oh my God, no, I can't do this. My pretty. Oh. No puedo. No puedo. Jupiter, it's too cold.
Okay. What is you doing, baby girl? What?
Am I a failure?
Yeah.
Let's go. You guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the weirdest family on the internet. If you want more videos with Jupiter, comment below Jupiter for the win. All right. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.